What is yoga? Yoga is a state of being. It's a practice of finding stillness amongst all of the chaos that surrounds us, freeing your mind of its illusions. We journey to the heart of yoga in search of these ancient teachings. What we found was far beyond anything physical. This is India.
India was an experience that just can't be summarized in 60 seconds. The purpose of our journey was to study the culture and experience the embodiment of yoga in everyday life. Personally, I believe yoga is so much more than stretching and physical flexibility. To me, yoga is the ability to flow through the chaos of life with trust and understanding. It's actively replacing negative energy with gratitude, and India was a prime example of how life's hardships can test our will. In this video, we did our best to summarize into words what the culture truly embodies, but I really wanted to take the time and focus on some prime examples. We noticed that there was a willpower and a resilience to take on more than the average human on a daily basis. The willingness of a class in the heart of Varanasi to take us in under their wing to help us study yoga in its pure form. It was through the entire experience not feeling like I was too far from home. And I was just surprised by all the little moments that I had with strangers and the conversations and the generosity. It was waking up first thing in the morning to hear prayer echoing through the city streets. And it's looking into the sky and seeing hundreds of kites and everybody just participating together, really showcasing that they're not alone out there. Overall, I'm just so grateful to have the opportunity to experience such a different lifestyle on the other side of the world. And if you want to see more of this journey, whether you want to see Eastern medicine rituals or more cinematography, just make sure to subscribe because we're going to be releasing exclusive content only on this platform. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and listen, and I'll see you guys soon.